Okay, here's the movement practice. It's just swinging your arm forward and backward, forward and backward, arcing through the air. First time, you're going to initiate shoulder, 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 and then elbow, 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 and then wrist, 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 and then fingers, 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 and then heart and lungs, heart and lungs, heart and lungs, heart and lungs, and then from your foot up through your body, foot to the body, foot to the body. Other side, just starting with the shoulder, or let's just start in and out without thinking about anything. And then shoulder initiates the movement, elbow, elbow, wrist, wrist, fingers, fingers, lungs and rib cage, organs, and then from your foot through your body, from your foot through your body. So just playing with initiations, and then the follow through happens, finding that fluidity and connection in your body, fluid movement, connected body, moving from the fluids, really easy. Fluids and the breath, right? The fluids and the gases, the fluids and the air. And weirdly, air is considered a fluid sometimes. So there you go.